For most of human history, wealth was tied to land, labor, and machines. The richest people owned the biggest farms, the largest factories, and the most powerful industries. But everything changed. In 1900, half of Americans were farmers. Today, less than 3% feed the entire nation and the world. Why? Because we evolved from agriculture to industry, from industry to services, and from services to information. We have now entered the communication age. The most valuable assets are no longer land and machines. They are ideas, knowledge, and intellectual capital. Look at the world's wealthiest people. Bill Gates built Microsoft. Steve Jobs built Apple. Elon Musk built Tesla and SpaceX. None of them started with land or factories. Their wealth came from thinking differently, solving problems, and applying knowledge. Think about this. Facebook doesn't create content, yet it's one of the most valuable companies in the world. TikTok didn't invent entertainment. It just revolutionized the way we consume it. Amazon doesn't own the products it sells. It simply connects people to what they need, faster and more efficiently. So what does this mean for you? It means you don't need land, factories, or millions of dollars to create wealth. You need knowledge, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Today, you can start a business with nothing but an internet connection, drop shipping, coaching, freelancing, digital products. Your mind is your most powerful tool. True wealth today isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, learning, innovating, taking action. If you want to create real wealth in today's world, here's what you need to do. 1. Educate yourself. Read books, take courses, learn new skills. 2. Solve problems. The world pays for solutions, not just ideas. 3. Use leverage. The internet allows you to scale ideas like never before. The people who succeed are the ones who take action on what they know. Right now, thousands of people are making money from ideas. Whether it's launching a side hustle, selling knowledge online, or building an audience, opportunities are everywhere. Remember, the greatest wealth you could ever own is between your ears. You don't need a factory. You need a vision, a plan, a willingness to act. If this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. And remember, don't just work, create. Turn your ideas into income. Start today. Follow for more.